not completely sure if I filmed here before actually, because this was the lower part where they have the Kone, but the tall ones were the same kind. I filmed also.
Yeah.
It was for 1998.
Oh, really? It looks new.
Unfortunately, we replaced at the moment.
Yeah.
The zero is H69398, but we got one.
Yeah.
We have the serial number of the other ones.
Yeah.
7 or 9 minutes.
Yeah.
Last digit. Turned 25 years old this year, 2023. And it was going to be inspected this year. I don't think I filmed it.
Yeah. It's building 14 staircase B.
Yeah. Deserves to rise.
Yeah.
I think we can do it. Press here.
Yeah.
I love these pictures. It's too early.
Yeah.
On the 4th of September, the other one. Today's the 22nd of September, so should have been here 3 weeks ago.
Yeah.
Kone is replacing here.
Yeah.
It was inspection finished here.
Yeah. That's